What's up guys, it's Mike here. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens for the Sony E-mount cameras like the a6000, a6300, 6400, 6500, etc. I ordered this off of Amazon and it came in like a bundle. It was sold by digitalgoja.com, I think. And it was about the same price as the normal, like just the lens itself. And this came with like a bunch of filters, like an ND filter, a UV filter, like a camera cleaning kit, and a camera bag actually, and it wasn't all that much more expensive than just the lens itself. So I figured I might as well just get this kit and see what it's all about and unbox it for you guys, and we'll do a review. Another reason I was looking at this lens in particular is that, you know, if you've been following the channel for a while, you've seen the other videos I've done about the Sigma 16mm f1.4 prime lens that I use a lot, specifically for video. I wanted to get a 30mm lens because I feel like I need something in between the 10 to 18mm that I shoot with a lot for like interiors and landscapes, and the 50mm prime that I also have. I found myself kind of like wanting something in between 18mm, but not as far zoomed in as 50mm in various occasions, landscape, cityscape, whatever. And you know, the 30mm f1.4 is not very expensive. I think by itself it's like $289, something like that. Obviously that price may go up and down depending, but like I said, this bundle wasn't all that much more expensive. So let's get into this and see what it's all about. So we have like a, so I think all these accessories are made by Altura, or at least that's the brand, Altura Photo. It looks like this looks like a bag for the lens itself. Yeah, so this is just a oh, this feels really nice inside actually. There's something you can put the lens in, carry it around, I guess. I don't want to spend too much time on the accessories. Like I said, this is mainly about the lens, but I did want to kind of show you guys what comes in this package in case some of you out there are thinking about getting this particular one. Okay, camera bag. This looks nice, actually. Another reason I purchased this this bundle over just the regular lens itself is because I've been looking for a somewhat larger camera bag for a long time. I like the one I use right now a lot. It's a Low Pro. It's one of the smaller camera cases they have. But I found myself wanting something just a tiny bit bigger, not like a full backpack, but just something a little bit bigger. And I didn't want to spend like $100, $150 on one. So I saw that this one came with a carrying case that opens from the side. I don't know if you guys can see the zipper right here. Yeah, it opens from the side right here. So the camera like goes in this slot right here, and then you have a couple lenses that can go right beside it. I figured it would be, if I wanted to put this on my back, it'd be pretty practical, pretty easy to get to my camera when I needed it. All right, camera cleaning kit right here. It's this typical cleaning kit. It looks like we won't really look into this all that much. Put it right there. All right, these are the filters, the ND filters. We'll go ahead and open these up. I mean, they feel like they're pretty quality filters. I'm not gonna unbox all these just for the sake of time, but looks like this is the ND filter. Yeah, I mean, they feel quality, and this filter carrying pouch is really nice as well. Looks like we got a strap here of some sort. Rapid fire wrist strap. Information. Dear customer, thank you for your recent purchase. Okay, blah, 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 blah. They shout out their YouTube channel. What is this? Magic, okay, so another cleaning cloth. You guys seen the last video we did of an unboxing of the Zion Crane Plus. We also got another fiber cleaning cloth. I'm gonna have so many of these. What is this? Oh, a monopod. Okay. Surprisingly solid. Surprisingly solid. Yeah. All right. Sweet. Okay, and what we've all been waiting for. Let's go ahead and put this box down here. The Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens for the Sony E-mount systems here. Let's open this up. Lots of information. User manuals, probably warranty stuff in here. Okay. Somewhat decent unbox experience, not the best. I mean, I feel like they could have done a better job packaging the lens other than just like an egg carton type of thing. But I mean, it is pretty secure. But that's all right. We have that pouch to put it in. All right, so we've got the hood right here. Let's take the lens out. Okay, solid piece of equipment. Initial impressions of the lens, it feels almost the same as the Sigma does. You know, like metal body, very nice rubber focus ring right here on the end. Looks like we got some rubber right here. Sigma makes really good glass. I've been very happy with all the Sigma lenses I've used, which has only been one, but I've heard very good things, and I'm excited to test out this second one here. Let's take the lens hood out real quick. So usually there's a way, there's some markers on the lens hood and on the lens itself where to put the lens hood on. Okay, all right, yeah, here we go. So you guys see this white line. I'll try to get my face out of the camera so the camera will focus on this. So there's a white line right here. There's also a white line on the lens right here. So you just align those. I really hope the camera's picking this up. You just line those and then twist, and then it connects. So there you go. All right, so that's it for the unboxing process. Let's put the lens on the camera and go somewhere and see how the lens looks.